Hey guys, welcome back to the Natural Learning Python course. Today, let's learn about a very important lecture, if and else statements. If, the syntax is very simple. If something, do something. And these are very useful. Else, do something. Also pretty simple. But these are very useful and they'll be used in almost all the code from now on. Let's see this in some real life code. Okay, so I've made a quick variable set for our if and else statements. Let's get started by doing an if statement. If a is greater than 0. Now, when we put this colon, you notice it indents. That means any of the stuff that's indented to this level is in the if statement. If I indent it once more, it won't be in the if statement. It'll actually bring an error. Right now, this is the way it should be. Now let's say print A is positive. Oh. Now it's still in here, but now if I were to say print A, see, forgot to run that, it'll still print this, but even if this becomes now false, like 0, it'll still print it, meaning it's not in the if statement. Let's turn that back to 5. Now let's try stacking some if statements. If A greater than 0, print A is positive. Now we have to get out of the if statement. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. And let's do one more. If E is less than A, print E is less than A. Now you notice it doesn't print the last one because this last one is not true. E is 17. 17 is not less than 5, so it doesn't run this code. Now that we're done with that, let's move on to else statements. Let's just say if A is equal to 0, print A is 0. Else, now this is the syntax, and remember, first off, there's going to just be a colon there, and second off, you got to make sure it's in this indentation level and that this else statement is not indented. It's got to be like that. All right, now let's write what's in there. Print A is non-zero or not 0. It says 5 is non-zero. The instant A becomes 0, let's run this again. It says 0 is 0. And maybe that would be a bit better. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Well, that's it for now. I hope you learned something. And as always, this was Nitro Learn.